What's up everyone and welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. Now behind me we are so excited because this is the world's first Lotus Emira with our full exhaust package. It's got headers, their free flow race configuration, comes down to the Y split section, then it runs all the way back to our titanium 3-inch catback. These cars, we know how good they can sound. Cut to a clip right now of the Evora we did a full exhaust on right now. Sounds absolutely insane, and we're gonna make sure the Emira sounds as good or maybe even better. This system integrates with the OEM modes when you purchase the production version. It really is the ultimate experience. As well, we are using the factory exhaust tips, but you can put on our set of titanium exhaust tips that come in the package when you purchase this exhaust for your Emira. As you can tell, I'm super excited. I've wanted to know what this car could sound like since the moment it was released. We thought it could sound as good or better than our Evora setup. I guess we're gonna have to find out in this video. Of course, as normal, startup, flybys, hard acceleration, we're gonna do revs, interior shots, and
okay, quick editor's take. This is the craziest car that I think we have ever filmed on the channel. We've filmed SVJs, we filmed F12,
458s,
458s,
06.
crazy cars, and the interior footage on this car,
it's absolutely wicked.
This is something that you guys do not want to miss. Absolutely insane. Back to the video.
And we're gonna put a GoPro on the rear bumper so you guys know exactly how good your Lotus Emira is gonna sound with the ultimate exhaust configuration. I can't wait, let's get to it. All right guys, we're inside the Emira. The full exhaust is installed and you can hear already how insane this thing can sound this good. Dude.
This might be the best sounding car that we've ever done on the
Dude,
channel.
this is sick.
It's literally an F1 car.
Yeah, it's so exotic. All the other companies out there, keep up. Guys, on the video here, we drive everything, SVJs, GT3s, anything you can imagine. And this thing is now real special because of this exhaust configuration. We know there are other exhausts out there, but this is unlike anything else. It's just nuts. And now like we're in town, it's like it's bone stock in here. You'd never know this car's modified. Put the windows up, back in tour. You can whisper it, it's so quiet. Oh, this is nasty, I'm stoked. Get like good intake noise with the valves closed too. Now, let's say you put an intake on the car and you get a lot more intake noise. With the valves closed, you just get a lot of intake noise, which is really, really fun.
Oh, the overrun?
The overrun's nuts.